Welcome all. Today's topic is about globalization and localization in ASP.NET Core. So we'll make an overview of globalization in .NET Core. So what's globalization? The process of designing apps that support different cultures, and is called globalization. The globalization adds support for input, display, and output of a defined set of languages, and the languages and the scripts that these languages represent refer to the specific geographic areas. And then what is localization? When a globalized app is adapted to a particular culture locale, the process is known as localization. Culture local relates to the site being adapted to different countries, regions, or cultures. When requests are made on a web application, its starting point of globalization is the ability to determine the language and culture of each request. The next step is the mechanism required to select the content based on the current request culture.